जगह दीजिए।
बर्थडे मनाने आए देखो।
Govinda and Sunita Ahuja's marriage has once again grabbed headlines after Sunita was spotted at a family court with their son Yashvardhan and their lawyer. While the divorce rumors surrounding the couple have been doing the rounds for months, Govinda's manager Shashi Sinha has now questioned why Sunita filed for divorce if she eventually intended to withdraw the plea. Well, Govinda's manager Shashi Sinha has reacted to Sunita Ahuja withdrawing her divorce petition against the actor and saying the development is certainly a happy one, but questioning why the matter was taken to court in the first place. Well, on Wednesday, Sunita Ahuja was spotted outside a family court with her son Yashvardhan Ahuja and their advocate. Her appearance further fueled public interest in the family's personal life. While talking to a media portal, Govinda's manager said that while Sunita's decision to withdraw the divorce plea was a happy development, he questioned why the matter had been allowed to escalate publicly. He also said the couple's differences had played out in the media for nearly 1.5 to 2 years, causing unnecessary damage to their reputation. He also added that disagreements are common in relationships, but once a dispute reaches the court, it becomes public knowledge, something he felt could have been avoided. Also further questioned why Sunita had filed for divorce only to withdraw the plea later, saying जरूरत नहीं थी जाने की, घर की बातें घर में रह के बैठ के बातें करके बहुत सब चीजें होती हैं, आज वापस लेना था तो किया था क्यों, ये बात का मुझे दुख हो गया, काहे को फिर तमाशा हम लोग बन गए. There was no need for people to know about it. Matters concerning the family could have been discussed and resolved privately within the home. If the intention was to withdraw the case today, then why was it filed in the first place? That is what saddens me. Why did we have to become a spectacle for everyone? He added that Govinda had no reaction to the development and said, भगवान सबको सद्बुद्धि दे, सब लोग बुद्धि से चलें. May God grant wisdom to everyone and may people act sensibly. That is what is best. बस यही अच्छा है. Confusion and misunderstandings within a family can be resolved by sitting together and talking. Problems may become big, but they are not impossible to sort out. Meanwhile, Sunita chose not to discuss her court visit with the paparazzi. When asked about the reason for her visit, she simply joked, "Birthday मनाने आए हैं."
जगह दीजिए।
बर्थडे मनाने आए देखो।
Her court appearance came shortly after her comments about Govinda being spotted with his rumored girlfriend Komal Rani Swarankar. Sunita had called Govinda sugar daddy, following which Govinda warned her to stay within her limits and not defame him further. Govinda and Sunita married in March 1987 and later welcomed daughter Tina in 1988 and son Yashvardhan in 1997. Well, as per the report, Sunita filed for divorce at the Bandra Family Court on December 5, 2024. However, the couple later appeared to dismiss divorce rumors by celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi together. Govinda has also supported Sunita on her shows Lock Up Season 2 and Mahena. Well, for now, Sunita's decision to withdraw the divorce plea has added another twist to the couple's much-discussed relationship. While questions surrounding their marriage continue to make headlines, Govinda's manager has made it clear that he believes family differences should ideally be resolved away from the public eye.